Hi, my name is Aarti Khurana and my channel is aimed at ensuring interest by keeping reach and approach simplified. So today's topic is on auto insurance and here's what we'll cover. We'll cover typical auto insurance policy. We'll cover that as type of benefits, the type of coverage, the typical coverage scenarios, FAQs, and of course your questions where we reached out to various people to collect questions and some amazing insights from some of the industry experts who've come forward and volunteered to participate and make reach and approach seamless. So auto insurance. Auto insurance basically is a coverage or a contract between you and the insurance company where you decide to cover your car or your automobile at a certain fee or a premium, and the company agrees to cover you in case of any accidents. People generally take two types of auto insurance, a comprehensive one or a third-party liability. Further simplifying, and comprehensive auto insurance, it's basically a cover to take care of your own insurance or your own damages as well as third-party damages or third-party liabilities. If I were to put it in simple terms, it would be just like covering a container and its content. The container being the auto or the car, and the contents being things associated with it, like the body parts, the machinery, the personal belongings, etc. And also, obviously, it extends to cover the driver and the passenger, and of course, third-party liability. Third-party liability is a compulsory or a mandatory cover that covers third-party damages due to insured's fault. On that note, let's go around and ask some industry experts for their valuable insights. So what does a common man want? A common man wants a great product offering, value for money, and an answer in his hour of need. On that note, let's go all out and ask people on auto insurance and what they want. Here's Rahul. Rahul, can you give your full name?
Yeah, hi, my name is Rahul Chawla and I'm working as a banker here in Dubai from last 5 years.
Awesome. So Rahul, I'm talking about auto insurance and I wanted to know, what do you look for when you buy auto insurance?
In auto insurance, people are looking for service and facilities provided by the insurance providers.
So basically product offering.
Yes.
Okay.
If you're asking about services means like if we are going for car insurance, people are offering, you do not need to go for renewal, just give us our car mulkia, they will go and do the needful.
So you're looking for free registration services
free
or
registration
seamless
service.
registration services.
Yes.
Excellent.
So it will
That's
save
great.
us the time
To go and
of the
register the car,
customers and all.
like a concierge for registration.
If they are giving garage services, so we are looking what kind of garage services they are providing.
Okay.
Is the garage is good, 3-star, 4-star,
Recommended, yeah.
yes or not?
Okay.
And plus, they are telling us they will give us rent a car for the accidental period.
Okay.
Like need to pay.
All right. Thank you so much for your
Thank
inputs.
you.
Really nice meeting you. Thank you
Thank you.
again. Take care. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Aarti Khurana. And
My
you?
name is Terence.
Hi, Terence.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Great, Terence. So what do you do?
I work in a restaurant.
Oh, awesome. You work in a restaurant. Okay.
Yes.
And where are you from originally?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
That's nice. So, Terence, just a quick question. When you think of auto insurance and when you think of buying a car insurance, what comes to your mind?
First and foremost, I look for a good company.
Okay.
Then I look for the offering.
Okay.
Then above all, the service. The service has
The
to be
service.
good also.
Absolutely. I think that's what makes your restaurant good, huh? And
Yeah,
that's why you
sure.
have so many customers
Yeah,
here.
that's why we get to so many customers because of good service and the
Awesome.
offerings.
Awesome. That's nice. That's nice. All right, Terence, nice meeting you and we
Okay.
shall be in touch soon. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, Maurice. Aarti Khurana. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great. Maurice, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico originally.
Wow, Mexico. That's nice. That's nice. So, Dubai has a lot of people. It's a very vibrant city. A quick question for you, Maurice. What do you think when you think of auto insurance or when you think of buying auto insurance? What comes to your mind?
Well, obviously looking at the numbers and thinking about the kind of package they're going to offer, the service.
Oh, awesome. So basically, you're looking for value for money, and you're looking for a good product that will back up with good services. Is that what you're looking for?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, awesome. That's nice. Well, it's such a pleasure talking to you, Maurice, and keep ensuring the interest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Sahil. So, what do you do?
I'm an A-level student.
Okay, so we have Sahil Mohan, the next generation with us. So, Sahil, when I talk of auto insurance or car insurance, what comes to your mind?
Well, at the moment I'm too young to drive. However, I feel like my teachers give so much to the community and there should be some special packages for them.
So, you basically want a special offer for your teachers?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Very well thought. Good, good. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
You too.
Lina Mie has been fantastic and volunteered to share her insights and experience working successfully in the industry. Welcome, Lina Mie, to the episode on auto insurance. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you so much, Arti, for having me here.
Awesome.
And I'm Lina Merrick Arti. I'm also associated with this industry for the past 5 years now.
Oh, awesome. So basically, are you serving customers on auto insurance?
Yes,
Okay.
we do in customer service.
Okay, excellent. So, Lina, just to reiterate and highlight, this is not a attempt to sort of sell advice or it's just an attempt to create insurance awareness. And would you please take us through the basics of an auto insurance policy?
Yeah, basically, people has to look into this policy like they have personal accidental benefit, like the repairing of their car, roadside assistance,
Okay.
emergency medical expenses, and etc.
Okay, so when you talk about repairs of the car, I mean a car in this part of the world, and I've seen mostly people are very possessive about their cars, just like they
That's
would be
true.
for their children.
That's true.
So-
yeah, people look into this agency repair. So we have two options. We have agency and garage repair.
Okay, so what do people go in for mostly?
Agency repair.
They prefer agency
Yeah.
repair. Okay, and what about garages? When you give garage repairs, do customers prefer to have a list of garages, etc.?
Yes, most company they give this list of garages.
Okay, so that the customer can actually review the ratings of the
Yes.
garage, the type. Okay,
Yes.
and is garage repair sort of guaranteed by companies? Sometimes, like if the repair is done, if there's any default and all that, the customer can go back.
Yes.
Okay.
Regarded.
Okay, and what about natural calamities? So, what is covered under natural calamity?
Like flood or maybe
Hailstorm.
rain. Hailstorm, yeah.
Okay.
It's usually happening here in UAE.
Okay.
So they can come and claim for this.
Okay, and there's a lot of other additional benefits which companies offer because of this fierce competition. So, can you tell us something more about these additional benefits? Like, what sort of additional benefits are available?
So most insurance company they offer windscreen damage.
Protection,
Apart from this normal benefit of auto insurance, we have roadside assistance. We have also this emergency medical, this personal liability also, third party liability. It is also there.
Okay, that's a part of this. What about concierge services? Do people offer
Yes.
concierge services for registration, airport
Yes.
pick up and drop, etc.?
Yes. I think for full insurance in the market, it's offered
It's
free
offered.
roadside assistance registration service. So if someone don't have a time to go and do the registration of the car, so they can call and do the booking.
And of course,
yeah.
during accident, they also give car replacement services where they provide car during the
Yes.
duration of the accident, etc.
Yes.
Okay, wow, there are so many benefits, Lina. So how does how do you summarize all this just in one call with your customer? Is there any other way that you actually educate or create awareness with the customer? Do you send him like a list of benefits?
Yes, after like most insurance company, after talking to the client, so quotation will be released.
Like a proposal, a customer
Yeah.
can look at that
Yes.
and understand
After
what he's got.
that, follow-up calls will be happen.
Okay.
And then if anything which they don't understand,
You
then
elaborate again.
we can explain again.
And do you think there are other awareness attempts or efforts which a company can exert, like promotions and things like that? Do you suggest anything that else that comes to your mind, like promotions or customer engagement activities, like a roadshow or something?
Yes. That is like giving gift vouchers, roadshows. Yes, that is nice.
that's very
At
common.
least creates awareness to anyone
All
in
right.
the market.
Sure. Thank you so much on that note, Lina. It was such a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
helping
much,
us.
Arti,
Thank you.
having
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you.
Let's hear it from another industry champion who has been serving customers actively on auto insurance. So everyone, here's Palvasha. So welcome Palvasha to the episode of Auto Insurance. Just wanted to pick your brains because we've received a lot of questions, and one of the questions we've received from the viewers is on depreciation and the instance he had while he took auto insurance. He had to pay a huge amount of depreciation on his while his claim, and he figured that out much later. So can you please enlighten us? I've already educated you on the question. You've already read the question.
Yes, first of all, thank you so much, Aarti, for inviting me here. I'm Palvasha Habib, in this industry for almost 10 years, more than 10 years in fact now. And And coming to your question where he has asked on the depreciation, normally the depreciation is charged when the repairing condition is garage repair, but a customer requests to replace his parts as brand new parts, not the used ones.
Okay.
So in case of that brand new parts replacement, first year there is no depreciation, but going forward there is a depreciation maximum up to 30%, not more than that.
Okay,
That's
so I
the
hope
maximum.
this answers Arshad's question. On that note, I look forward to you joining us on many episodes. Thank you so much for
Thank you so much,
Thank
Aarti.
you.
Thank you.
We've received questions from certain viewers, and I'd like to address those. Well, first question is from Shamir Kunil on LinkedIn, and his question goes, how would it be if the insurance company covers all traffic fines up to a certain cap? Well, thank you, Shamir, for asking that question. And the answer to that question would be insurance contract is based on utmost good faith to actually cover unforeseen and unexpected events and to avoid moral hazards. So, in fact, covering traffic fines is encouraging that and would be against the concept. Hope this answers your question. Thank you and keep watching. Soumya has a question and a feedback to give. Well, Soumya's feedback or question is that insurance an extra commitment on top of the expenses that we make? And she wants me to make a video on this. Well, thank you so much for your feedback, Soumya. Definitely, I will be doing an episode on this, covering up whether insurance is an expense or an investment. Well, to answer your question, insurance is actually a protection in case of any unfortunate events to take care of our burdens in the hour of need. Okay? So definitely, it's not an expense, but an investment which we make in ourselves. It's just a case of how you look at it, whether the glass is half empty or half full. Thank you so much. Keep watching. We now pretty much have an idea of what an insurance policy should offer and cover. Now let's understand from the viewpoint of those in the industry who offer and collaborate to offer. Watch out for the next episode. Just to clarify, this channel is not to influence or advise anyone, but just to create awareness. Keep watching, keep sharing your thoughts, your questions, and keep insuring the interest.